Hi creative people! Today I'm coloring my Sailor Moon illustration because I got the inspiration from my childhood, and also one of my friends suggested Sailor Moon as this week tutorial video. Let's start! The coloring tools that I use are the watercolors. One of them is from Koi Watercolors Pocket Field Sketchbox, which you can see in this video, and also using the Pentel Arts Watercolors, which come out in tubes. And for the brushes, I'm using Lira Giotto and Arte Media. As you can see, Usagi the Sailor Moon is walking in front of a fashion store, which I color in pink because I use some reference from the internet and I found two interesting places. One of them is a famous fashion brand that has pink store, and also a cafe that has beautiful flowers and plants around it. So yeah, that's why I choose this background, and let's see how the result will be. If you notice guys, I use the thin layers of watercolors first as the first step of the coloring, and then in this process I'm adding thicker colors with the same colors to add more depth and adding contrast to the whole picture. Here is the tricky part because I need to color the floor one by one. The method is to add shadows on it. For example, you can add shadow on the top right and bottom left also. You can try another side of the edges as you like. As the last step, let's draw the outlines for all of the objects here. I'm using the Pigma Micron number 5 with brown color. I prefer to use the brown color than the black one because it creates more soft and feminine look. And that's the end of my Sailormoon drawing tutorials today. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorials next week. Bye!